I start now the IUCLIDConnector client application by double-clicking the icon on the desktop. After the client has been launched, it will ask for the username and password. It is important to understand that the IUCLIDConnector relies upon the user management of the Euclid 5 system. Therefore, the username and password need to be registered with the corresponding rights in the Euclid 5 system. After the login, I see the Cockpit view. In the Cockpit, all substances are listed which have been either fully mapped or which are in the process of being mapped. This is indicated by the symbol in the status column. A small pencil means that this is a mapping which has not been finalized yet. I could click on it, and with the map substances I would switch to the mapping view. This symbol means that the data has been fully synchronized and the data between both systems are the same. In the Cockpit I can filter to see only the substances which are in local draft status, or to view only the substances where there have been remote changes, which is at the moment not the case. Now, in order to verify if something has been changed remotely, I can trigger the Check Status button. Now we can see that there is a different symbol in the status column behind the citric acid, and it indicates that there have been remote changes. I could now select this substance in order to harmonize the data again. Further information I can see in the Cockpit is when the mapping of the substances has been the last time updated. In order to start a new mapping, I would go to the search screen. In the search screen I can either search by name, which could be the chemical name, public name, trade name, or the legal entity name. Or I can search by number, which is the CAS number or the EC number. It is possible to use wildcards in the search. Once you trigger the search button, parallel requests are fired to the Euclid system and the SAP system, in this case delivering back the results of 2 substances in the Euclid system and 1 substance in the SAP system. Now in the next step I search by CAS number. Also here I will use a wildcard in order to find all the numbers which start with a 119. In this case the result is the benzophenone substance. Now in order to start the mapping I select both substances and press the Map Substance button. This is triggering now the loading of all substance data from both systems. When the substance data has been loaded, the mapping view is displayed. From here on we can start the harmonization process in order to synchronize the benzophenone data of the Euclid system with the benzophenone data of the SAP system.